This article covers whom, where and when of the conflict. He was not the only one to call for legal reform in the 16th century. The Romans left in 410 in the beginning of the 5th century. The English word typhoon comes from the Chinese word big wind. All students are encouraged to vote in the forthcoming elections. We will discuss these two pictures in the next lecture. International students can get help with locating housing near the university. Novelists have a major role to play in reflecting their time to their readers. A periodical is a publication that is issued regularly. There will be no extensions given for this project. Would you pass the book on the left-hand side? There are no scheduled classes during the final exam weeks. Company exists for money, not for society. Make sure you correctly cite all your sources. The smoke from these contributed a great deal to the air pollution. Our group is meeting tomorrow in the library conference room. Knives and forks should be placed next to the spoon on the edge of the table. Elephant is the largest mammal on the land. The United Kingdom is a constitutional monarchy and parliamentary democracy. Fees are heavily discounted and bursaries are available for delegates.
I think we should get together this weekend to discuss this assignment. I am afraid Professor Jones doesn't suffer flus gladly. Does the university have an ice hockey team? Many of the popular courses are available online. I think the university's main campus is closed. There will be a significant rise in tuition fees starting next year. All essay and seminar papers submitted must be emailed to your tutor. The lecture will deal with the influence of technology on music. The final year consists of 4 taught subject and 1 project. He started his tutorial presentation right on time. Make sure you correctly cite all your sources. He was not the only one to call for legal reform in the 16th century. Of course, you can also choose to have your grades emailed to you. If your parents come to visit you this semester, where will they stay? Please have the copies of your seminar papers in the library a week in advance. Without doubt, his primary motive was economics. There will be a conference next summer on using the web for academic research. New timetables will be posted on the student notice board. The lecture on child psychology has been postponed until Friday. Please come to the next seminar properly prepared.
There is plenty of cheap accommodation off campus. It is quite clear that the rising prosperity does not make people feel more content. Acupuncture is a technique involved in traditional Chinese medicine. The campus tour will help you get familiar with the teaching facilities. My tutorial class will begin at the next Monday's morning. Essays should be typed with double space in white paper. There is a position available for a junior lecturer in media studies. Dr. Green's office has been moved to the second floor of the building. The medical center is located near the supermarket on North Street. Students can download the materials on the website.